Hey guys, this is Simon with Trade and Perform Coaching. I am doing a 2-minute video review on ES today. So we'll just start off with the overnight. You can see overnight that we pushed down right around London Open, came into the zone. Unfortunately, no algo there. The goal is to trade both at location and you can choose to trade out of location, and certainly there were trade setups that allowed you to do that, but the best trades are at location. So I'm just going to go through the algos that fired and show them both in location and out of location. So this is pink bar stuff, double pink bar stuff, actually, two back to back. I'm just going to make this as big as I can. I'm not going to highlight the shorts, just the longs. Again, you have to take the good with the bad, so you really need an algo down to make these green and orange work. This is a 3-bar combo, white bar followed by green. I prefer them to be in 2-bar combos. We didn't get that, and you can see that the support resistance zone acted as resistance. We pushed down. We never could get a major rotation there after the 8:30 open. You can see then we finally pushed through to the next resistance zone, push back, and then you finally get green bar down, yellow dot up. And those are my daughters in the background if you can hear them. And that pushes to the next support resistance zone. We then get a pushback, and you can see out of the green zone you get a white bar up again. There just wasn't a lot of volatility, so you couldn't get the normal 2-bar combos and 3-bar combos. This is 3 bars. I prefer them in 2 bars to get the highest odds like this. Nonetheless, that's white bar down, white bar up within a 3-bar combo. Generally a good entry. And then the only thing I would say is the target is up here at the 64.93. This is target upside target 1, target 2, and there's a green zone. So if you were willing to fish at the end of the day, the white bar down, green bar up was a good entry for that final little push. And I think the zones worked exactly as they needed to work, right? The first thing that would have told you that we were strong today was the inability to make it back to the larger picture 50-60 retrace, right? That's this purple area over here. We couldn't make it underneath the Globex. Hello? And anyway, that's it. I'm going back to hang out with my twins. I will talk to y'all later, guys. If you have any questions, you can email me at TRADEnPERFORM@gmail.com. Have a good day.